There are 9 days left before the release of Biohack Yourself documentary. And the CENTROPIX KLOUD is going to be a key player in this documentary. In summary, the documentary follows a young family that are on the quest to discover the best technologies and techniques to extend lifespan and optimize their well-being. They interviewed more than 100 experts around the world, including scientists, doctors, professors, and so forth, to help an average family find their way to extend lifespan and optimize their well-being. And if you want to watch the trailer, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. And if you have any family or friends that are looking for PEMF device and they have trouble deciding which one to pick, send them the trailer of this documentary, and it's going to help them in making this decision once the documentary is out. And yes, it's going to be really big. According to producers, this is going to be the biggest health documentary you will ever see in your life. So it's a big promise, and I can't wait to see that documentary.